I got asked yesterday, is it worth coming to Thailand in the low season? Well, let's look at the pros and cons. I mean, at the moment, to get around the city or around this area is very easy. There is no traffic. Normally, there's traffic up and down the main strips, nose to bumper, and you can't move. You're going at a snail's pace. At the moment, it's moving quite nicely. And if you take a taxi, the taxi prices have actually come down. They do come down in the low season because there's not the custom base that they're used to. So hence the taxi fares drop dramatically. They're about 20-30 baht cheaper than the high season. I came home in a taxi last night and it cost me 90 baht from the centre of Pattaya, which in the high season was costing me 120, 130 baht. So there is a savings on travelling around. The hotel prices have dropped slightly, being low season, and you can pick yourself up a nice deal. Around Pattaya, there's some excellent hotels and they're advertising some decent prices. So your cost is coming down. Low season, May to September, is it worth coming to Thailand? Number one, at the moment, the sun is out. The predicted temperature was 32 degrees here, which I must admit was very nice and warm today. Slightly windy, but that's to be expected down on the coast. The sun is out, it's not raining. Number two, the people say, well, in the low season is the wet season, it's the rainy monsoon season. Yes, we do have some rain. We had some rain earlier on this morning, but it is very, very short durations. It will rain for about an hour, then it will stop, dry up, and that's it for the rest of the day. As you say, we've had rain this morning. It's late afternoon now, and everything is dry. Yeah, as you can see, there's plenty of bikes around coming up the main street here. So there's plenty of people around to enjoy the areas, to enjoy the bars. Everything is open. Yet there's not the quantity of people that normally frequent these places. High season, this is normally chock-a-block with customers in all the bars. As I say, the bars are open, there's people in the bars. There always will be people in the bars. Unfortunately, there is a strong drinking culture here, and you will find people in bars here at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning, unfortunately, and that's where they will stay. It's maybe it's personal opinion. It may be right, it may be wrong, I don't know. Not for me to say. People want to drink all day, but the bars are open. At night, the bars become more and more occupied, so it's not as desolate and as barren as you may think. Lots of new places opening up. There's a new little market evening opening up now. Still plenty of people moving around the city. Plenty of work going on, all the shops opening. They use this low time for refurbishment, decorating, giving a lick of paint to the shops and the bars, because it is low season, ready for when the hordes and the masses return. Even in the touristy places, this is Big Buddha sitting there at the top of the hill. Now at the moment there's a few people here, but not that many compared to high season, so you can get around, enjoy the sightseeing touristy bits, and make the most of your days in these places. Yeah, so if you're coming here on the low season, there is plenty of space for you to walk around and see the sights. Just say, in the height of the season, high season, this viewing spot here will be completely packed with people, and you'll be queuing up to get to the edge to get the photographs that everyone tries to get for their Instagram and various accounts. So
better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock.
a little tribute to the Sanctuary of Truth. Can't go anywhere in Thailand without the lottery tickets. So what could be the downside of coming to Thailand in the low season? Well, if you're a party animal and you like to party in the bars, it's predominantly contained to the weekends now, although if you go down to various roads, sois, there's always a party to be found somewhere in Pattaya. So it may be not the buzzing nightlife that you want. So that could be a downer for people, a negative for people. So there you have it. The highs and the lows of Thailand. I mean, getting around Thailand this time of year in the low season is very, very easy and quite affordable. You can grab the taxis, you can grab the motorbike taxis, they all come down in price. Airfares are slightly cheaper. Yeah, there is still things to be done in Thailand in the low season and the rainy season. It doesn't rain all day long. It's normally one torrential downpour. It will last 1 hour, maybe 2 at the most, and then it stops. And give it a couple of hours and everything's dry again. So there's some pluses, there's some minuses. So you have to make your own mind up. It is a nice climate in the off season, in the low season, so it's not as hot as it was in a couple of months ago when it was high season and it was extremely hot. At the moment it's comfortable 32, 34 degrees and it's quite nice climate. So if you like this content, please hit that like button and leave a comment. I will come back to you with all comments left, and meantime I will bid you farewell, stay safe, and I'll see you a little bit further down the line.
I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate.